Name one branch or part of the government. What does the judicial branch do? What is the highest court in the United States? How many justices are on the Supreme Court? Who is the Chief Justice of the United States now? There are three branches of government. They are the Congress, the President, and the courts. The courts are also called the judicial branch. The judicial branch reviews laws. They also explain laws. The judicial branch decides if a law is constitutional. The Supreme Court is the highest court in the United States. There are 9 justices on the Supreme Court. To find out who is the current Chief Justice of the United States, visit the link in the description. Then click Civics Test Updates to see who is the current Chief Justice. The 2008 version and the 2025 version of the test have this question. Name one branch or part of the government. Congress, the President, and the courts. What does the judicial branch do? They review laws, they explain laws, they resolve disputes or disagreements, and they decide if a law goes against the Constitution. What is the highest court in the United States? The Supreme Court. How many justices are on the Supreme Court? Visit the link in the description for the number of justices on the Supreme Court. Who is the Chief Justice of the United States now? Visit the link in the description for the name of the Chief Justice of the United States.